Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sell things that you have in your house or things you have in your supermarket online on Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to show you how you can set it up. So first thing, let me tell you what Facebook Market is. What is Facebook Marketplace? Facebook Marketplace is a digital marketplace where users can arrange to buy, sell and trade items with other people in their area. People can find what they are looking for by filtering their results by location, category and price. By listing on Marketplace, you can reach buyers where they already are. Now let me show you how you can access it. First thing, you can come to your left side of the screen where you see it here, Facebook Marketplace, or you can also come to the right side of the screen, click on the menu, scroll down, you can see it right here. Both icons will take you to the same page. So let's just click here. So these are the items that people are selling currently. Now when you start selling, you can come right here to view what you are selling. Let me just click on it. So right here it says we're selling. This is one of the items we are selling, and well, we have not made any sale. So let's go back. If you want to sell an item on Facebook Marketplace, what you need to do is first you come all the way to create a new listing. So you click on it. Then come over here to items for sale. But depending on what you want to sell, you can either choose the second or the third option. If you are selling a car, you choose the second option. If you are selling a house or you want to rent a house, you choose the third option. But I'm going to choose the first option because I'm not selling a car or a house. Click on it. So we come right here to this place where we can load our picture of the item we want to sell. So let's click on it, and we can load up to 10 pictures right here. So click. So I'm gonna look for the folder where I put the picture of the items I want to sell. Okay, this is right here. So these are the two pictures. So I'm just going to align both of them and upload them together. So you can see the two pictures are right here. The next thing is the title of the item we are selling. So I'm just going to come right here to copy it. Please take note that some of the things you are seeing here might be different if you are selling things like clothes or a shoe or a furniture. But these are the basic things that you're going to see when you want to sell an item on Facebook Marketplace. So we're selling an Apple iPhone. So I'm going to copy this title, then paste it into here. So automatically, as you're filling each boxes, what you're doing is appearing right here on the center of the screen. You can see I've put the title I've put in has appeared right here. So let's put a price. Let's say 80,000. So this is our price, and we're going to choose a category that matches what we want to sell. We can click here. So we can go through all the categories they have here. You can see we have homes and gardens. Underneath it we have tools, furniture, household, garden, appliances, entertainment. We have games, books, clothing, and family. There are different categories. So I'm going to come down to electronic and choose mobile phone. Click on it. So that is the category. And if you look underneath it, there's an option already appearing showing mobile phone. I could have clicked here too. But if you don't see this, just come to the category and search for where your item belongs to. And if you don't see the exact category where the item you want to sell belongs to, you could just choose one that is close to it. Now, we're going to now put the condition of our item we want to sell. Is it a brand new item? Is it likely new or used but still good or fairly used? So we're going to choose new. So depending on how the item you want to sell is, the condition it is in, you're going to choose one of these. Maybe I've used it for a long time but it's still good, so you can use fairly or good, or maybe you only use it for a month, you can choose a likely new. So I'm going to choose new. Then description. Now you're going to be honest in your description. You're going to describe the features of the phone and the condition it's in. So right here I've already have my description written out. So this is it. So I'm just gonna copy then paste. So you can see as I'm filling each boxes, everything's appearing right here at the right side of the screen. So we come right here next to availability. Let's click on it, and now you can read underneath it. It says if you are selling one item, show only one on your listing. And the next one says if you are selling more than one item, show in stock on your listing. So we're just selling this phone alone, so we're going to choose one. Then compatibility. Okay, so let's click here. So we're just gonna leave this. It's optional. Then okay, so this section says Watchband Material, but we are not selling a wristwatch, so we don't have that information, except we want to talk about the color or the material of the phone. So we can say the phone is made up from plastic, you can just put plastic, but we could just leave it blank since we are not selling a wristwatch if we want to. Right here it says bandwidth size, but we're not selling a wristwatch, so we don't have that, but we have a phone which has the screen size. We can put the screen size into here or the phone size into this box, or if you want you can leave it blank too. It's optional, but it will help to sell your phone if you can put more information about it there. Then the color of the phone. So right here we're going to put the color of the phone, which is black. The color of the phone is black. Then we're going to use tags like iPhone. Tags help your items to be discovered easily on Facebook Marketplace. So it's also good to put as much tag as you can, but the limit is 20. Look at it right here. 20 is the limit of tags you can put. You just press enter. So I'm just going to leave it 1. I'm going to explain this later, but we're going to leave it blank. You don't have to put anything there if you don't own a shop or a large market. But if you're a single seller and you're just selling something you have in the house, just leave this place. SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit, sometimes called Storage Keeping Unit, and is an alphanumerical coding system for inventory management, as well as being one of the most popular methods used for product identification in online marketplace. SKU code gives you privacy in your online listing. Businesses create different SKU for its goods and services. For example, a store that sells shoes creates internal SKU SKU that shows a product details such as color, size, style, price, manufacturer, and brand. For example, the SKU for purple Hug boot in the Bailey bow style, size 6, may read Hug BB PUR 06. Then location, you can choose the location where you are and the people you want to sell your goods to. So I'm in Lagos and I want to sell my goods to people who are in Lagos. So right here it says hide from friends. So you can choose to hide your goods, your items you want to sell away from your friends if you don't want them to know that you're selling your goods on Facebook Marketplace. Well, we're just going to leave this like this, because if we click on it, it means we activated it and our goods will be hidden from our friends, but we don't want to do that, so we're going to unclick it. Yep, leave it like this so that it's visible to our friends. Then you now click next. So right here we can choose the groups that we want to join. If we're already in selected groups already, to show right here. So these are the groups that I'm in already, that I can display my items that I want to sell. And if I want to join more groups, more suggested group, you can see right here I have more groups. I can just join by clicking here, join group. But the more groups you join, the better. But also make sure the groups you join are in your location where you are, like in Lagos. Look at this group right here is in Lagos, and look at this group, it says it's in Ipeju, Lekki. Some groups are far away, like in Port Harcourt or in another town completely. So make sure you choose groups that are in your location where you are, so that it will be easy for you to deliver your goods to them. But if you can deliver your goods to people outside of your state, sure, go ahead and choose. So these are the groups. So I'm gonna now choose, okay, Lagos, join. You can notice where this group is. It's in Uyo. So basically, you're gonna choose your group. When you're done choosing, you come down to publish, then publish your items that's putting it out for sale on Facebook Marketplace. So click on it and it's done. So this is it, where it's going to display and it has been sent to all those groups. So I'll just wait for a customer to send a message saying that they want to buy the iPhone. So right here at the side, you can see we can share, so which means you can copy a link and you can share to other groups of your own choice. Then these three dots, you can click on it for additional option. So right here you can see mark as pending. You can view the listing, you can view your goods that you put out to sell. You can list in more places. You can also edit it. So in case if you made an error or there's an information you want to add to it, you can come here to edit it. But if you choose you don't want to sell again, you can come right here to delete what you want to sell. And this is also right here is the seller's dashboard. So let's click on it, show you what it looks like. Boom, you can look at it. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Happy selling. Hi, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click the red button on the next day video that says subscribe. Thanks.